course, Ace is going to start barking. Okay, I don't know how to, share. Hey y'all, give me a minute. I'm gonna show y'all what's in the Taste Bud subscription service, but I need to share this to a couple of groups that I have, so give me just 1 minute. Okay. Happy New Year, everybody. I just wanted to come on here for just a minute and show y'all the subscription service from Pampered Chef. This is an exclusive subscription service. It's called Taste Buds, and what Taste Buds is a envelope that you get every month, and what's in the envelope is you get 3 packs of seasoning, and there is enough seasonings in here for 2 to 4 recipes. You get 3 recipes, and you also get online access to even more recipes. And the subscription service cost is if you do it on a month-to-month basis, it's $24 plus tax, free shipping. 3 months it lowers it to $20 a month, free shipping. And if you do a 6-month subscription, it lowers it to $18 a month, free shipping. You can skip and cancel anytime. So, like I said, it comes in an envelope, and this is the Taste Buds. And we're going to open it, and we're going to see what's inside. I've got 2 months here that I haven't opened. And these are the 3 seasonings, and it says that it is 1.11 ounce or 31 grams. This one is 1 ounce, 22 grams, 9 ounce, and 25 grams. So this, I don't remember which month it was, but they sent me urban onion, cinnamon plus, and rosemary herb. So we got our 3 recipe cards, and the herb and onion has its own recipe, and it is herb and onion pork roast, and it's for the slow cooker. It serves 6. The prep time is 10 minutes, and the total time is 50 minutes. And then you get a full recipe card that goes with that spice. So the next one was the rosemary, herb, and chicken orzo. And it says it serves 4, prep time's 10 minutes, and cook time is 45 minutes. And then you got your full recipe for that one. And these packets are resealable, so it's just tear and then a Ziploc, so you'll be able to use it again. You can close it up and use it again. The next one is Cinnamon Plus. And it is roasted butternut squash soup. That looks good. Looks like it's got some cashews in it. Serves 4, prep time 10 minutes. Total time cook is 40 minutes. And then you've got your full recipe on the back. And this was November's, so it's telling me which one it is. November's. It just recaps what's on here and more great ways to use this month's spices. So it gives us a lot more ideas on what we can use those spices for. And then you get a link for more ideas with these spices. So this was November's taste bud subscription. So if you are interested in this subscription, I will link in the description or in the comments a link to order. You can purchase a subscription through the party link. If you are in a party, you can order this month to month and then cancel if you want to try it. You certainly can do that. What I wanted to know was what size compared to regular size. So let me go get a spice. I'll be right back. So I have the garlic and herb spice. And this is the herb and onion. The herb and onion, they give you 1.11 ounce, and a regular size spice holds 1.9 ounces. So you can kind of see how much you get in a packet versus if you just bought the regular spice. If you have not used Pampered Chef's spices, they are awesome. I love them, and most of them start at $6, so you can't beat it. They're really good. So that was November's subscription. I don't think you can get past month subscriptions, so if you wanted to sign up and get it, or if you wanted to purchase this subscription on the party link or in my party link or on my website, you can purchase it now, but they ship out on the 1st of the month. So you will need to purchase it before January, the end of January, to get February's. So this one, we'll find the card to see what month it was. I may have skipped December's. Those are the recipe cards. Yep, this is October's. I went ahead and skipped December's. I don't know why. I think it's because I had these two and I hadn't opened them yet. But I'm looking for some new inspiration since we've stayed home a lot through the holidays. I'm kind of in a slump on some things, some ideas on what to cook. So now I have 6 more ideas on a recipe that I wanted to cook. So this, I got a little thing that says, "Thank you for your order. More mealtime wins have arrived." And it says, "We believe in excellent customer service for everyone every time. Like our businesses, we recently had challenges delivering the experiences you deserve. We're committed to restoring and improving the service we were known for. Thank you for shopping with us and supporting your consultant. We hope your order makes the meals you share even better. Pampered Chef." So October's was seasoning salt. This is a must-have. This is the best seasoning salt I have tried. I've used Lowry's on everything, just different seasoning salts, Dash, whatever. This one is amazing. So this one is a good one. You'll want to get you some seasoning salt, Pampered Chef seasoning salt. So this packet holds 1.5. So we have the 3 onion, and these also say gluten-free on them. So that's nice to know. 3 onion. This one has, it doesn't say how many ounces. It says 32 grams. Then we got the all-purpose dill. It also says gluten-free, and it is 0.6 of an ounce. So the recipes that go with these seasonings for October were salmon salad with the all-purpose dill. That looks really good. And then your recipes on the back. And these are pretty good size, and you know, you'll be able to keep these for a long time. Onion burgers. Those sound good. The salmon salad said it served 4, prep time's 15 minutes, and the cook time is 35 minutes. So, onion burgers serves 4, prep time 15 minutes, total time 23 minutes. And then it says, has the recipe on the back. So, my other thought was, how it says you could use these 2 to 4 times. So with the onion burger, you're using only 1 tablespoon for your 4 burgers. The salmon and dill, you are using 2 teaspoons. And the next one is pasta with vegetables for all you vegetarians out there, or someone who wants to cut back on eating some red meat or chicken. It serves 4, prep time's 15 minutes, and total time is 25 minutes. This is using the seasoned salt. Recipes on the back. And you are using 2 teaspoons of the seasoned salt. So that's a lot. There's a lot in here, and 2 teaspoons is nothing compared to what's in here. So you're going to be getting a lot of good uses with these packets of seasoning. So on the product card that tells you what you're getting, and it says pick a recipe, gather your ingredients, and let's get start cooking. And then it says see even more ways to spice up recipes. So it gives you more ideas on the back on how to use these seasonings. So that is the Taste Buds subscription. I think I'm going to have to, the weather's been, after it stopped raining, the weather outside it's about 60 degrees, which is way above normal here in North Carolina. We may have to make us one of these, grill us one of these burgers tomorrow. So that is Taste Buds subscription, and I just wanted to hop on here and show y'all that. If you are interested in this subscription services, just comment me, and I will give you some product codes on and tell you how to order it. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a nice night. Bye.